bear, it's actually a medicine. It's an omnivore, it eats everything. We estimate that it's about 20 pounds or so of the blubber. So this bear was harvested, hunted in Riding Mountain Park, the bone family out there from Kisikuinen. The bone family used to have the land all around Riding Mountain Park. Bears follow the same paths. There's certain trails that they go through, so hunters know where to take the animals. It's taken down in a good way, prayers were made, there's no alcohol or drugs in the men who were hunting. So you're gonna get a big hunk like this in your kitchen, and you're gonna have to work fast to clean it and cut it and cube it and get it going in the pots, because it takes a long time to get the grease out when you're cooking it on low heat. This has to be washed. You're gonna see when you're working with it that there's gonna be little pieces of bear hair on it, eh? That's as much as I'm gonna say about that part. I just wanna go ahead now and have you come on over and smudge your hands. Now what I do, once you get it clean, is you're gonna cube it. And the smaller the cubes, the faster it cooks. So I'm just gonna put that there so you can see how big I'm doing this, okay? And when you're done cutting up your fat, then we're gonna put it on the stove. You're gonna get your little hunk. There's gonna be cutting boards in your kitchen and knives. Are you ready for this? This is fun. This is a rare opportunity that you get. Now you're gonna know what to do when you process a bear. Let me help you cut this.
It feels oily.
On a stove, you're gonna go from medium to medium low. So now it's really gonna start going fast now. Do you see it in the bottom there? So you have to come in here quite often, about every minute, and stir the bottom, okay? And also the other one. That one's gonna take a little while to get to this point, eh? Because it's gonna need stirring. So what I'm doing is, so you can get this cheesecloth, very fine muslin, at like dollar stores sell these. The pack kind of looks like this, okay? That's what the pack looks like when you're buying it yourself. You want enough to make at least a 4 layers to fit in here. Not a double layer, but a 4 layer, because it's so fine that there's holes, you can see right through the holes, eh? And then we want it to be 4 layers, like I said, so there's half. And then half again. Okay, so that's straining out the hair, all the extra, the frame of the fat. Remember I said they don't dissolve? The fat melts out of that structure. Carefully taking the pot and going slow. I'm pouring in the oil here, making sure it doesn't splatter. And you can see, look at our beautiful oil that we have so far. Come and have a look, everybody. Just kind of come through and see the color.
How does it taste?
Very good. Salty.
I learned that it could help for, like, let's say you injure yourself, you have a knee that's like in pain, you can rub it on there, or like your head's hurting, you can rub it on your head and all that. Bear grease is like an ointment.
That's our indigenous way in that circle, hey? So very important work that you do in this classroom to continue on our culture.